Hey everyone, in this video let's find out how you can cancel your Edream Prime subscription. In order to do so, here we are at edreams.com and we have some information on canceling your Edream subscription. You can call to cancel your Prime subscription with the numbers that are provided here for the United Kingdom, España, and Italia. And you can also call now clicking there. You can cancel your Prime subscription online in 4 steps. Log into your Prime account, go to your Prime profile, find Manage Subscription, click on the link Cancel, and follow the steps to confirm the cancellation of your Prime membership, and the auto renewal of your Prime subscription will be disabled. And there's more information here if you'd like to come and see that for yourself. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link, and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great bank. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.